The keyboard, as you can see, it's very small, it's very thin, and extremely portable. That's it. And it comes with this beautiful carrying case. But so I'll slip it in there as well. And you're ready to rock and roll. And then when you want to use it, just flip it open. The battery just the light clicks for 3 seconds, lets you know that it's ready to rock and roll. And then to pair it, you hit the FN, the control for the Bluetooth, and then as you can see, it's in pairing mode now. You'll be able to connect it to your phone. When you're done, close it, ready to rock and roll, ready to go. So very nice portable keyboard. I'm really enjoying this this to be used with my iPhone. Alright, so I just want to show you the keyboard is now paired with a phone. So as you can see, I have the screener open here. And just go ahead and do a little typing. I'm doing this while I'm trying to record, so I'm just going to do. But as you can see, it works very nice. It works perfect with the iPhone, and it's very nice, much better than typing on the phone screen, in my opinion. So you can type, 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 and then when you're done, you can just go ahead and flip this closed. Ready to go. It's the same size as the phone. So very nifty device to write on the go.